Hello everyone, this is Adnan with Canop's trending video series. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create collections, applications, and packages, and we're gonna talk about collections like device collection, user collections, applications and packaging, downloading application, creating application package, deploying applications. It should be apps to the client, and verify application deployment. So this is apps to the client and then deploying to the now first of all, what is a collection? So collection is a collection of either devices devices or users. Devices are, remember we discovered a device. Now when many devices are there, or even one device, we have to make a collection, otherwise you won't be able to deploy anything on those devices. So again, if you need to deploy application to a device, software update to a device, or send a OS to a device, it must have a collection. So, and if you need to deploy anything on a user, we need to create a user collection. The device collection and user collection. So now we're gonna create these collections first. Now if I go back to my SCCM server, full screen, now here what is this? No, okay, never mind. This is... Oh, okay. There was the log file. And was not full screen. Okay, now this is my SCCM server. In order to make collections, we need to go to assets and compliance, and here I see all my discovered devices, and I have client 1 which is active. We can still go and troubleshoot client 3, but for now I'll do that later. But for now, what I need to do, I need to create collections, because I need to send out packages, applications to client 1. So in order to do this, I'll go to device collection. User collections will be made for user collections. These are default user collections, and there are some default and some are made by me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all these collections that made by me, the delete, and I'm gonna delete these collections just to make it very simple. Oh, it's saying there are a few devices attached to these collections. That's fine. We'll attach them again. So these are the default collections. I can deploy applications to this all system. In this case, the application will be deployed to everything within SCCM, or just unknown machines that are not discovered, that is not part of the domain, and they're just discovered, or maybe errored machines. So for now, device collection, I'm gonna create a collection of Windows 7 machine. When I go create a collection, I need to name it. So here I'm gonna name it Windows 7 collection. Let me name it properly. In the comment, always write something here so that you do remember why this collection was created. For example, the collection is for Windows 7 machines within marketing department and requested through change number, let's say this change number, so that we can track down why this collection was created and who created it, and what change number was there if you're following a change collection and if you change management. Now this is just comment, so you named it. Secondly, we need to make it part of a larger collection, so these are the default collection. I'm gonna take all systems, so I'm gonna take all system, and this collection will be taken from targeted machine in all systems. Next, now as soon as you're here, we need to create a rule. What type of collection, what type of devices do we need to discover, added to this collection? There are two significant ones: direct rule, query rule. Direct rule, if I go with direct rule, I can pick and choose what devices that I need to add, and here I can, first of all, direct rule is saying that attribute is name, and I can, if you know the machine name, you can directly type it. So I can type it client, so it should go by try finding if there is any client, but you have to have the accurate name. If you don't remember the name, I can always go by percentage sign or completely percentage sign. Now it shows me everything. Now I can pick and choose. I need this one in this collection, I need this machine or this machine, but I know these are servers, so I'm not gonna take these, and I'm gonna take this one, which doesn't even exist. So direct rule is used to pick and choose machines and put it in a collection. So I created a rule. Based on the rule, it selected two machines, and next, and done. My collection is created. Now the second type of collection is dynamic collection, which is a query based collection. So I'm gonna again say, gonna select all Windows 7 machines, and Windows 7 machine, I call it dynamic collection. In dynamic collection, I'm gonna again select this. Now what is the difference between this and this? This was a static collection. Here I picked machines, and it won't be updated again unless I open it and add more machines or remove. But the second collection, it will be query based collection. I will run a query, so I'm gonna say Windows 7 machines, and then I need to write a query. So I can go here, edit. Either you should know how to write a WMI query language in WQL, or so you would go, or you can go by criteria. So criteria, you can also build your own query as well. What type of, you need a simple value, you need to write a where clause, and this and that. So this is kind of a bit advanced for now. Now the easiest way is to get a query and put it here. So show query, I'll put it right here. Now in order to get a query, what we need to do, let me see if my internet is working here. I can Google, let's see, Google lets me go here, or I would need to jump back to my client machine. Let me go here, and I can Google for something. I can say that I need to find a ready-made query, which is this one, ready-made query, WQL query for Windows 7, and you will find hundreds of sites with ready-made query, so you don't have to build one. If I go to this link, within this link, it shows me here one query saying that this query will return computer that are all Windows 7. I would take this query right from here. If you need to search Windows Server, all you need to do, change workstation to server. It will show you Windows 2008 R2. So I'll go right here. I'll copy this query, jump back to my server. Oh, the Google was open here as well. So close this. Oh, it's not giving me full screen now. Okay, now all I need to do, again, I'll close this. I'm gonna create a dynamic query. Within dynamic query, I'll go to query rule, name it, so Windows 7 machine, and edit query. Now it is getting a bit slow, I don't know why. So edit query, and then go back to here, show query language, copy what I copied from internet. I didn't type anything. Copy, okay, and okay, done. So this is a query. Now based on this query will run, and it will check all devices and see which machines are Windows 7 machines. So here it is done. Close. Let me now here, let's see, I have one, this is direct rule query, this one is a dynamic query. Both shows no members. If I refresh now, so this should show me 2 members because I added 2 members here. And this one should go into the environment and find out how many Windows 7 machines are there, and it will update it. Both of the query are running against all system. It is still not showing me. Strange. It should show me. Okay, I pressed F5, then it's showing me, and here, okay, it's also showing me too. Now let's see what 2 members are there. So here, sorry, if I go into this, it shows me the 2 members that I added manually, and the other one, and this one is showing me 2 members that are dynamically added, which is 1 and 3. Both are Windows 7. Both are clients. One is inactive, one is active. So guys, this is how we make collections. So we can proceed. It's 12 minutes. Full screen. So we created a collection. Now these 2 collections will be used when we go here in software library and create our applications and packages and work with these. So I'll stop the video here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create applications and how to deploy them on clients from SCCM. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.